Design apps like Xshape and Xdesign are focused on different facets of product design. Xshape enables you to create stunning shapes with subdivision modeling, while Xdesign delivers more traditional CAD features for component and assembly creation. This allows you to focus on the design task at hand and not be overwhelmed with features that are irrelevant at the moment. Sometimes you will find yourself in a situation where you want to utilize a different set of design tools in a different app better suited to the current challenge. On the 3DEXPERIENCE platform, this is done by simply navigating to the compass in the upper left-hand corner and double-clicking on the app you would like to use. The app will quietly switch within your web browser, changing the entire set of tools you have available at your fingertips. You can seamlessly continue working, leveraging all of the features found in a different design app without disrupting your workflow. This philosophy of being able to simply switch from one app to another will change the way you work with design tools. Instead of having to install and work around every feature in a complex application, you can instead use task-specific tools to handle unique design challenges. Likewise, as more design tools become available on the 3DEXPERIENCE platform, you will be able to choose which design tools best serve your needs, simplifying the overall engineering process.